is a young cowboy, lives on the range. His horse and his cattle are his only companions. He works in the saddle and he sleeps in the canyons, waiting for summer, his pastures to change. And as the moon rises, he sits by his fire, thinking about women and glasses of beer. He's closing his eyes as his doggies retire, sings out a song which is soft but it's clear, as if maybe someone could hear. So good night, moonlight ladies, rock-a-bye, sweet baby James. Peat greens and blues are the colors I choose. Won't you let me go down in my dreams? Rock-a-bye, sweet baby James. Now the 1st of December was covered with snow, and so was the turnpike from Stockbridge to Boston, though the Berkshires seemed dreamlike on account of that frosting. With 10 miles behind me, 10,000 more to go. There's a song that they sing when they take to the highway, a song that they sing when they take to the sea, a song that they sing to their home in the sky. Maybe you can believe it if it helps you to sleep. Singing works just fine for me. So good night, moonlight ladies, rock-a-bye, sweet baby James. Peat greens and blues are the colors I choose. Won't you let me go down in my dreams? Rock-a-bye, sweet baby James. So good night, moonlight ladies, rock-a-bye, sweet baby James. Peat greens and blues are the colors I choose. Won't you let me go down in my